Welcome back to Product Scout, where we bring the most powerful, practical, and sometimes downright surprising gadgets to your screen. Today, we're diving into a tool that's small in size but mighty in performance. The BENJEN 150,000 RPM electric air duster. Right out of the box, this thing feels like a serious piece of kit. Weighing just 270 grams, it's ultra lightweight, made with a composite material that's both tough and easy to grip. The handle is non-slip, the body feels solid, and it's compact enough to toss in a backpack, or even a jacket pocket. If you're cleaning on the go, let's talk power. This electric air duster spins up to 150,000 revolutions per minute. That's not a typo, 150,000 RPM. It delivers over 180 grams of air pressure and blasts out wind speeds over 52 meters per second. That's faster than a super typhoon. You point this at your keyboard, and dust doesn't stand a chance. But it's not just for your keyboard. The BENJEN Duster is a multitasker. Use it to clean out car seats, dashboards, laptop vents, camera lenses, even blinds. Going camping? It can inflate your air mattress. Having a barbecue? It can help get the fire started. Need to blow snow or leaves off your front porch? Done. Pet hair on your floor? Gone. Under the hood is an 8,000 mAh high-capacity battery. You're getting short-circuit protection, over-voltage, overcharging, and even high-temp safeguards. And with a USB-C fast charging interface, you're not waiting around forever. This thing is designed to be ready when you are. And BENJEN doesn't stop at just giving you the duster. In the box, you also get a set brush and 2 magnetic suction nozzles. No need to go hunting for accessories. They snap on securely and help you get into all the nooks and crannies, whether it's your mechanical keyboard or the air vents in your car. It's cordless, portable, and endlessly versatile. The adjustable speed gives you precision when you need it, and full blast when you don't want to mess around. You're getting power that's safer, cleaner, and more environmentally friendly than compressed air cans, with none of the waste. So, whether you're a PC gamer, a car enthusiast, a tech-savvy homeowner, or just someone who's tired of dust bunnies taking over your life, the BENJEN 150,000 RPM air duster might just be your new favorite tool. Thanks for watching Product Scout. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more hands-on reviews. Got a gadget you want us to check out next? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, stay clean, stay sharp.